I was turning right onto Broadway from First Avenue here, and directly in front of me is an Uber driver. I could tell that they were on their phone. I didn't know if they were waiting to pick somebody up or what, but they didn't go when the light turned green, so I decided to go around them. Now, let me pause it for a second here. In Nashville, on Broadway, the traffic lights are set up in 3 stages. They're set up for 2 stages of vehicles only and then pedestrians only. That way no pedestrians or vehicles are in the intersection at the same time. There's north and south traffic, east and west traffic, and then only pedestrians. So here you're going to see just the pedestrian crosswalks here, but pedestrians can also go across the center of the intersection. Why? Because there aren't supposed to be vehicles and pedestrians ever at the same time. That's why you can crisscross across there. But if you look over here, this group of morons is walking when they shouldn't be. They've got the sign that says do not walk. Well, of course, it doesn't say it. It's just the universal red hand symbol for idiots who can't read. But then there are plenty of idiots out there who don't even know what that means. So they're walking, and of course, I have to slow down. And then once I do, this is what happens. Right there. The guy hit me from behind. The Uber driver was looking down at his phone and decided to roll forward without even looking up. Here, let's look at it, and you can see it from the rear dash cam. Boom, there he is. He hits me. So we obviously decide we got to pull over, and so we pull over on the side of 2nd Avenue. Once the idiots are out of the crosswalk, they didn't belong there in the first place. It's a real problem. Follow up to this video right at the end is another incident like this that was contributed to by an idiot in the crosswalk who didn't belong there. So we stop. He gets out to look at his vehicle. I called the police non-emergency number so we could at least get a police report. At this time, I didn't know if there was any damage to my vehicle. I assumed for sure there was damage to his. So I got out, introduced myself. We talked for a little bit as we were waiting for the police, and we had a little discussion as to exactly how that happened, to which he admitted that he was staring down at his phone at the time. So you're saying that you are an Uber driver, or you were looking at your phone? Oh, you were looking at... Yeah. I didn't see an Uber symbol in your dash.
Yeah,
so.
I put it inside there.
So you were waiting for a fare and checking your phone?
Yeah.
I gotcha. I was a little surprised. I thought I hit a pothole or something.
Yeah, me too. I was like, what is that? And I just looked up the car. This expensive car. I wasn't even worried in my car. I was like, I wish I didn't get something. Sorry for that, dude.
Yeah.
Parking mode on.
Again, I understand if you were looking at your phone, and then there are some people walking through the intersection when they're not supposed to. I hate that.
Yeah, I mean,
when people are not supposed to walk when it has a red hand up saying no walking.
Broadway is like that, man. It's crazy.
Yeah. Turn on my flashlight so you see.
Yeah. So this is the only.
I wonder where it hit to do that. I mean, you know what I mean? To cut the.
It pushed it back. That's why I put it back right now.
Oh, so did it get scraped on something inside here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Down there.
Just wondering how it would do that. A police officer did arrive, and we recounted exactly what happened, basically. The guy admitted that he'd been on his phone and wasn't looking up. And either way, he was not cited, and that's fine. I didn't have any damage on my vehicle. No discernible damage whatsoever. So I was totally fine. I just wanted to make sure that we did exactly what we should do, given the circumstances. So he gave us an incident report number just to show that we had at least called and nobody was being cited. And that was basically it. And once I got home, I checked to see if I could find any damage. So after looking at the footage, I really wanted to check out the back of the truck here, because we had assumed that he hit me on the tire itself, which we don't even see a mark there. Can't tell where. And at the angle that he was at, I kind of thought maybe he'd hit the bumper. But there's no evidence anywhere on the bumper. I mean, even this dirt down here doesn't even look disturbed. And if he'd hit that, it would have been even worse damage. So, yeah, that's pretty amazing. You can't even tell. But he needs a whole new hood, without a doubt. Alright, here's a bonus incident. Same intersection, just already on 2nd Avenue, so not turning on to 2nd Avenue. Nobody hit me, but here we go. We'd waited for the light, and there is an idiot in the crosswalk that the vehicle on the left now has to stop to let through. Now, once he's able to go, there's another Lyft driver over here who pulls out, and instead of just pulling into his own lane, pulls straight across and hits that guy right on the door. Let's watch it again. See, I'm going to zoom in here. That guy doesn't belong in the crosswalk. He caused that car to slow down. Had that not happened, that car would have gone straight by before the Lyft driver even pulled over. I don't know why the Lyft driver was pulling out at that angle. They could have pulled straight into their own lane of traffic. But instead they hit this guy on the door. Causing a little bit of damage. Dent the door in, scraped up the paint.
Just hit him.
Now, in both of these accidents, I say a contributing factor was pedestrians in the crosswalk when they absolutely didn't belong there. The total blame ultimately belongs to the person behind the wheel who wasn't paying attention and struck another vehicle. That's obvious, but if people would stay out of the freaking crosswalk when they don't belong there, it would help the flow of traffic and help avoid certain incidents like this. Thanks for watching. I sure hope you subscribed, and definitely hit the notification bell to be alerted when a new video is uploaded. If you're new to the channel, please look around, check out my other videos, leave a comment down below. Check out my website and Facebook as well. Until next time, keep it between the lines and record everything.